Oh, It sounds like somebody squeezing a chihuahua.
I have it trained on Sarah's face.
Look at that side of the bed. It's like vacant.
No, you want to be really creepy? If someone sat down on the bed.
The bed just dips.
Hey, how's it going?
I would laugh if that happened. Oh my god, stop it. Stop it.
No, you know what? There's a really freaking awesome thing that happens during one of those nights where it actually does get in the bed.
Oh my god. No.
No, it's Sarah. You're gonna laugh. Like legit, you're gonna laugh because of what it does. You're gonna laugh.
Does it like molest her?
No, but it has fun with her.
Does it molest him?
No, I wish.
That would make me happy.
It's just kind of like legit. The first thing it does, I'm not telling you the main thing it does, but the first thing it does is just like poke the crap out of her. She's like, no! then when it does, it's kind of scary, but really funny.
Oh, just tell me.
Here, give me your hand. Give me your hand. Charity, turn the light off.
No. Leave the light on. Please. Cookie, no stay.
Sarah, it's broad daylight.
I don't care. It was still for you.
Okay, I think we're gonna stop now.